Hey guys, this is Matthew again, and it's the first of the month. Today is September 1st, 2025. Happy New Month to everyone. So today we're going to be dropping some strategies, about 6 of them. Boom, crash, rise and fall, touch no touch. Just make sure you subscribe to all our channels if you haven't done so, because we're going to post all these strategies across our 3 channels. Today, 1st of September 2025, and the buy sell indicator is currently trading right here, and you can see we're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and all Forex broker platform that support MT5. We're giving it away for free. You can use it to trade your Forex, synthetic indices, crash and boom, and so we're giving it away for free, and we're going to share the guide on how to get it for free during this video. So once you log into your trading account, you go to boom 1000 right there. Note that boom, you can only trade accumulator and multiplier. So we're trading accumulator here. Go to boom 1000. We're using the D trader, and go to sorry, that is between 700 to 800 there. So I quickly spot that and place that trade right there. So we want that trade. So I'm going to show you how this works. So go to accumulator, you click on it. Once you click on boom 1000, set the growth to 2% and enter the amount you want to stake. Depends on what you have in your account. The take profit, you are going to click on $3 because it can rebound as fast, so you don't set high amount there. And so we're going to be placing our trade here. Once the number here is between 700 to 800, it will be 701, 702, 703 to 800, 799 to 800. So once you see 701, 702, 750, 740, that's 773. So I place that trade right there, 773. So you can see we want that trade there. So it has to be between 700 to 800 before you click on buy. Don't let it exceed 800. Don't let it exceed 800 because it can rebound as fast as So let's watch again, and 700 to 800. We're watching the last 3 numbers there. That's 960, 957, 941, 876. It's going down, so you have to be ready. 782, 772. So that's going to be our last one for today. We're going to win that regardless. So you can see we want that trade right there. We want that trade. So we're going to drop another strategy today. We have to make this quick. So for those who haven't purchased our bot, the Toscaper bot is automated. It was on Deriv. The link to order it is right there. We're going to paste it in the video description as well. Toscaper.ctytechnology.com.ng, 9.99 USD. The Pip Stripper bot as well, 7.99 USD. They both works on Deriv and they're automated. We're also giving away free guards, free bots when you order any of our bots to get a free indicator as well. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So the infos are here. For the indicator, if you've not gotten it, we're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. It's an MT5 indicator. First of all, you need to sign up for a trading account using that link. You have to subscribe to these channels. That's the first one, that's the second one, and this is the third one. Then send an email to the email address here with the subject of free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account. So once we receive the email, we check your sign up. Once we confirm it, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have an account, you can order the indicator for $12 there. The link is right there. The payment options right there. And the Pip Stripper board and the Toscaper board has a link to order them. This is for the pips cheaper, and that's for the Tuscany. Check the video description on YouTube. If you don't have a trading account, there's a link to sign up for a free trading account to test our strategies on demo, and those are the links to subscribe to our channels. There are other infos as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.